Hello guys, welcome back to Cherish English. Today we're talking about one of the most overused words in English, very.
Cherish English.
We say very cold, very bad, very good, very hungry, very tired, but native speakers don't use very as much as learners do. Instead, they use stronger, more natural words. In this lesson, I'll teach you 20 fantastic alternatives to make your English sound natural, confident, and impressive. I have also prepared a free PDF with 30 bonus words and example sentences, of course. You can find it in the description box or in the pinned top comment. Stay with me, we'll practice, and I'll give you a short quiz at the end. Why avoid very? Very is not wrong, but it's weak and repetitive. Native speakers use precise, powerful words. Example, it's very cold today. Nothing wrong with this, but it's too basic. It's freezing today. Stronger, more natural. Group 1, positive words. Well, let's start with the first word. Very good. Excellent. The service at a restaurant was excellent. She gave an excellent presentation. You did an excellent job on your homework. See? Much better than very good. Very happy. Thrilled. I was thrilled to hear the good news. She was thrilled about her birthday surprise. We were thrilled when our team won. Very beautiful. Gorgeous. She looked gorgeous in that dress. The sunset was absolutely gorgeous. What a gorgeous little puppy. Number 4. Very interesting. Fascinating. The documentary was fascinating. He told us a fascinating story. I find languages fascinating. Very smart. Brilliant. That was a brilliant solution. She's a brilliant student. The plan worked brilliantly. Group 2. Negative words. And the first bad word, just kidding, negative word, is very bad, awful. The food tasted awful. It was an awful day. That smell is awful. Very angry, furious. She was furious when she found out. He looked furious during the argument. They were furious about the delay. Very sad, heartbroken. She felt heartbroken after the breakup. He was heartbroken when his pet died. They were heartbroken by the news. Very tired, exhausted. I'm exhausted after work. She looked exhausted after the run. They were exhausted from moving the furniture. Very boring, tedious. The task was tedious. Writing this report is tedious. The waiting was tedious. Hope this video is not tedious. Group 3. Describing extremes. Let's move on with the next group. Very cold. Freezing. It's freezing outside. The water was freezing cold. I'm freezing. Close the window. Very hot. Boiling. This soup is boiling hot. It's boiling in here. Open a window. I was boiling under the sun. Very small. Tiny. She has a tiny apartment. Look at that tiny kitten. The mistake was tiny but important. Very big. Huge. That's a huge dog. The project was a huge success. They made a huge mistake. Very fast, rapid. We saw rapid growth in sales. He made rapid progress. The patient's recovery was rapid. Group 4. Advanced alternatives. This group is very important. Or, even better to say, crucial. It's crucial to eat healthy food. Punctuality is crucial for his job. This decision is crucial for the project. I like that word, crucial. Very funny, hilarious. That joke was hilarious. The show was hilarious. We had a hilarious time at the party. Very scared, terrified. She was terrified of the dark. He looked terrified during the storm. I'm terrified of snakes. Very hungry, starving. I'm starving, let's eat. He was starving after the long hike. The children looked starving. And the last one, very clean, spotless. Her kitchen is spotless. The hotel room was spotless. He kept his car spotless. And that's it. Now let's test your knowledge. Here's the quiz. Replace very with stronger words. The movie was very funny. The movie was hilarious. I'm very hungry. I'm starving. The book was very interesting. The book was fascinating. He was very tired. He was exhausted. Today we learned 20 powerful words to replace very. The secret is the fewer times you use very, the more natural and fluent you'll sound. Try using at least 3 words in your next conversation in English. If you enjoy this, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Cherish English, and share the video with a friend who overuses very. And don't forget to download your free PDF from the description box with 50 words total, so you can study later. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in my next one. Mwah! Bye bye!